guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Mapenzo to TV. It's the African Cup of Nations. Bafana 3, Zimbabwe 2. I'm joined by Spouse.
Steve was keeping bro.
Sharp,
bro. Unfortunately, bengihlulekile ukuzama game namanye bro.
Sure.
Ngiziya namuhla ne.
Yeah.
But I saw something from Bafana bro. They are giving ama country la irrespective ngadingekiko bro.
Yes.
Yeah, ama game le Egypt. How bro. Hi.
Big Melisi.
Serious me bro. Even here today.
Yeah.
They're giving ama country irrespective ban idingeki bro. Mangazi why.
Yeah.
I don't know ukuthi kenzakala.
Defensive.
Bro, angazi why.
Midfield.
Angazi why.
Midfield.
Angisisa bro.
Yeah.
Into esibulila kuyona le bro.
Ne.
We must stop doing that. Then we'll go far.
And just attack.
We'll go far.
Yeah.
We'll go
Yeah.
far bro.
Yeah.
Honestly speaking.
Rebalate.
Yeah, we will go far. Makuthi siya stop ukubanikeza respect bana bayi deserve. They don't deserve. Egypt no bro. Bebathala ngosala kuphela ayi1.
Yes.
Simnikeza respect. Okay, it's fine. Umnda wenza ifoul yaba penalty yakora. It's fine. But how come abantu laba the whole game ngathi uthole red card how many minutes daman?
It was after this in Zamapina.
So yangizisa brami isikhathi lesibese sinenge ukuthi bathi singaba penetrate sakora.
Yes.
Basibanikeza respect no Egypt siyayisaba. Yeah. Yanamuhla kahle igame le. I-team le bengafanele ukuthi ikore.
Maybe like
3-0 bro, clean sheet.
Yeah.
Mara sibanikeza respect banayidingeki.
Yes.
Yeah. Must siyateka sithi no siyazi ukuthi lenge kuyakora. Baphusha bonke. Bayasikhohle ukuthi emuva kuyadinga ukuthi abantu laba ngayipenetrate babuyele emuva bakora. Yeah. So sibulala into ezinjalo bro wami. If bangayilungisa zoyafa.
Yeah.
We'll go far. Singabuya nayo i-gold bro wami.
Ne?
Yeah.
Lafuna ukayithatha.
Bangayithatha.
Ne?
If they fix on that.
Yeah. Banga relax
bro. Not to core.
Yeah.
We can go.
Man of the match.
Bro. Man of the match angazi ngithini ngothi 40 minutes 45 minutes ecala ngayiboni.
Oh, okay.
Angayiboni but if 45
second half.
Second half I can give it to Sipho Mbuli. Even though bamsapile but I can give it to Sipho Mbuli. Yeah. He was doing his into phakathi Mario yabona ukuthi he needs someone ozohlala naye pha. Usithole bengakliki no Sipho Mbuli. I wasn't clicking that guy.
First
he wasn't clicking.
Yeah.
They must kumele bayibona into le. Bengakliki at all.
Bafaka overs.
That's why.
And then
into za change. Yeah, usithole le bengakliki no Sipho Mbuli bro wami.
Why then?
Angazi bro wami. Angazi
udlala ngada or udefenda kakhulu
unless bro wami unless and again indaba ka Ronald Williams kumele bayilungise bro wami he's conceding too much that man angithi bathethe bathi ngibani Sipho Chain akaconcede ku Pirate wabambeke ku bench.
That's the question
And sometimes you push in but two.
Yes.
Sipho Chain ukuzipushing i-team akupush no i-team akupushing but number one.
Yeah.
So it shows you what
he's on for.
Imana akazichange into zakhe. Nakufuna ukuthi ufuna ukuyale phambili.
Yeah.
Or else uzohleka ama Chiefs ukuthi but bekayaphile nobani. Akayilungisa indaba yakhe.
Yeah. Well,
before uzohleka babantu. Ngiyamcela. Ayilungisa indaba le yakhe. Ngiyamcela bro wami. Ayilungise. I-game ebitrele, ne? Bamkorile game icala. Bamkorile game lebis 2 penalty.
Yes.
Mara penalty ngithi man makuthi goalkeeper ngcono ungayibamba. Angisisi namuhla bamkorile. Ngaki 2 ngithi. So the man akahlale phansi ya
3 games in a row.
Angasola ama defender wakhe. Akamqala na uLamslo ukuthi zikhiphani ngaye. Simcheck. It's fine. He's the best goalkeeper in Africa. Mara there is one in Africa. In South Africa, Sipho Chain ngothi he's doing wonder for Pirate. He's doing wonder.
He's on form.
So mnikeze chance le yakhe ukuthi mara naye asitshengise. Simbone naye. Makuthi namablanda. Umsola ngayi too much ugosi ukuthi bekamsabi kahle. Uyabi because
over Peterson.
Hayi uyaqala nawe Steve. No mara serious uGosman ngiyazibuza ukuthi bekamisa kahle. Honestly speaking, unless if maybe the man who supporter he has been following SuperSport or yahamba yakusele bathini siwelela unless mara uGosman I'm asking myself to miss up the man.
Ay nami man. Ukose udlala kuphi?
Ngizizwa.
Ukose udlala kuphi?
Ukose kusiwelela, akasiwelele khathi. Siwelele. So ask yourself ukuthi if uwela msima ngalimala, walimala noSipho Chain, kwenzakalani? Umbobo daman ka mecho.
Ne?
Makula bangaka abagurile kwesiwelele. How many goals?
Too many.
So asibuze ukuthi if he's going forward nje ku top 8 yena ngithi top 16. Nakuthi uzodlula ku 8 kwenzakalani nakuthi 2 leyo limala. Mepara abantu laba bayalimala. Ama injury enzakala pra ejimini ngizizwa. So sibuza ukuthi nakuthi ubanke uthi no nangalimala kunoSipho Chain. Sipho Chain alimale na kwenzakalani?
Ay gosa I know lina ngimuthi.
Ndaro umthetho umisele. Angazi yini.
Eish. Kuyawuthwa. Hayi kuyawuthwa.
But mina hayi bra wami concern yami kuphela ukuthi South Africa must stop giving ama country anga deserve respect bana ba deserve. Then they will go far.
Thank you, spouse.
We'll go far bra.
Well said, spouse. Aye, thank you, Chaga. Yeah, sure. Yeah.